Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by doing 3 quick, decisive things. First, identify your triggers. What app, time of day, or place prompts mindless scrolling? Next, set a measurable goal like cutting screen time by 30% in 2 weeks so you know what you're aiming for. Finally, implement immediate tools. Turn on grayscale, schedule app limits, and enable Do Not Disturb during focus blocks. Once done, commit to these settings for at least 3 days to see real behavior change. You now replace the habit loop with deliberate routines. When the urge hits, have a 5-minute substitute ready. Stand, stretch, or jot one thought in a notebook. Make access harder by placing chargers and devices in another room and using a simple passcode layer like a timer app. Schedule 2 daily phone-free blocks for 45-90 minutes to train attention. As you practice, the new routine strengthens the cue action reward cycle so that checking your phone becomes you finish by converting progress into permanence. Each week, review your screen time stats and log wins and setbacks. This tells you what needs tweaking. If you rebound, tighten limits briefly or remove one tempting app and replace it with a healthier alternative. Make sure to enlist an accountability buddy or keep a short daily journal so momentum persists. If you notice stress or sleep loss returning, restore stricter boundaries immediately. That single tweak usually stops relapse fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.